children, how are you? I hope you are all good and doing well. Welcome back to our science class. This is your science teacher. How is your health, children? Take care about your health because health is very important to us. Okay? And don't waste your time. Time is very precious. Don't waste your time. Watch the video set. Understood the topic. So many times I told you that children, after watching the video, you must need to read a textbook. So as early as possible, take the textbooks also. Okay. Today I have come up with the 11th lesson reading and textbook exercises. Once you see the blackboard, children, this is the class 2nd subject science. The 11th lesson, our body. Already in the previous video, that means part 1, I explained the total lesson explanation. Okay, this is the part 2. In this lesson, first of all, we revise the previous class. After that, lesson reading, and next one, textbook exercises. Okay, I suggested you that after watching the part 1, you will see this. Then you have a ability to do the exercises. Okay, children? Okay. First of all, once we revise the previous class. What we learned in the previous class, children? Yes, we learnt about our body. Our body. In that lesson, we learnt about the parts of our body and about bones and muscles. There are 206 bones and 639 muscles in our body. The two bones are combined together to form a joint. Okay. And these bones and muscles are covered by the skin. What is that? Skin. And not only this, about postures and about lungs. Once you see your textbook, and again about heart and about our body functions. Next one, how the care of bones and muscles. These are all the topics we learnt in this lesson. Once you see your textbook, children, page number 54. Once you see, first of all, about bones, some of the body parts and bones. This is the skeleton. Okay, children. Once you observe the skeleton, there are two bones combined together is called a joint. Okay. And next about muscles, muscular system. And next one about, what you see, heart and lungs. Heart and lungs. Next one about how the care of bones and muscles. What are the precautions to take about bones and muscles? Okay, అలాంటి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాలి ఎముకలు మరియు కండరాల గురించి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ postures, భంగిమల గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, there are different postures. Some are the correct postures and some are the different wrongly postures, incorrect postures. Okay, these are all the topics we learnt in the previous video. Now once I read the lesson, you observe how I pronounce the words. Okay, children, don't forget that. Once you see your textbook page number 54, I read the lesson, you observe how I pronounce the words. Our body means mana shariram. Our body helps us in many ways. It makes us to walk, run, eat, play and write. Okay, and not only these functions, etc. Okay, once you observe these diagrams, boy is running, the legs help us to run and the legs help us to walk. Next one, the hands help us to write. Next one, yes, hands help us to eat and play. Okay, our body functions help us in many ways. Okay, ma'am. What makes our body move? What gives a shape to the body? Okay, our body is covered by a skin. చర్మంతో కప్పబడి ఉంటుంది. If we press our upper arm and upper part of the leg, we feel them hard. Yes or no? Just we feel like this. We feel them hard. There are muscles under the skin. These muscles are hard and rough. Press harder, we feel something hard. There are bones under the muscles. Bones and muscles make us to move. Okay, children, once you see this boy and this boy, once you press like this, you feel something hard. Those are muscles. Once you press గట్టిగా తగులుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఏంటవి? బోన్స్. ఓకే, once we learn about bones. Once you observe the spelling BONES, bones. There are 206 bones in our body. Some are big and some are small. These bones join together to form a skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. The joining of two bones is called a joint. Underline that word, joint. JOINT, joint. Let's see the next page. Bones protect some inner parts of our body like brain, heart and lungs. When we grow, the bones also grow longer, thicker and stronger. Longer means పొడవుగా, దళసరిగా మరియు బలంగా పెరుగుతాయి. Once you observe the skeleton, in the previous video I showed to you children about skeleton. Okay, model of skeleton. Okay, in the part 1. This is the picture of skeleton. Next one, muscles. There are 639 muscles in our body. Some are small and some are big. Muscles are attached to the bones. Muscles make the bones to move. Muscles and bones are covered by the skin. Okay, these are muscles. Okay, observe the diagram. See the next, in page number 56. Muscles and bones work together. They help us to move. They help us to run, walk, ride, eat, sit, play, etc. There are small muscles which help to close and open our eyelids. Eyelids అంటే ఏంటి? Yeah, eyelids means కను రెప్పలు. Once you see, these are the eyebrows, children. This space is eyelashes. These are the eyelids. Okay, కను రెప్పలు. There are special type of muscles in the heart and lungs that make these parts to work continuously even in the sleep. The muscles in the heart and lungs work as long as we live. Once you observe the diagrams of heart and lungs, these are the one of the important parts in our body. Okay, the bones protect the inner parts. Care of bones and muscles. To keep our muscles and bones strong, we must use them regularly. Exercise makes the muscles strong. We must exercise and play games. Exercise makes us healthy. Once you see this boy playing and this boy doing some exercises. Okay, exercise means vyayam. Next one, postures. Once you observe the spelling, POSTURES, postures. To keep our muscles and bones in good shape, we must develop good posture. Posture is the way we hold our body while sitting, standing and walking. Correct posture is necessary for good health. We must sit erect with the back straight. We must keep our feet on the ground. Erect means nitarga, like this. Okay, don't sit like this. See the next page, 57, page number. When we stand, we must stand erect with back straight. We must keep our weight equally on both the legs, like this. Okay, don't do like this. Don't stand like this. When we walk, we must walk with shoulders straight, head high. We must move the ankles, knees and arms freely. Okay, like this, freely. Okay, the lesson reading completed, children. Once you see, next we will do some textbook exercises. Okay, children. First of all, lesson reading completed. You must need to read a lesson at least 7 times. Then only you do the exercises clearly. Okay, children. See the page number 58. There are some fill in the blanks. First of all, there are some words. You choose the right word and fill in the blanks. Okay. What are the words? Once I read, you see your textbook. Muscles, skin, 639, heart, bones, exercise, skeleton, joint, 206, lungs. Okay, these are the some of the words here. First, fill in the blank. Bones and muscles are covered by, yes, which part? Skin. Bones and muscles are covered by skin. Dash and dash give a shape to our body. Of course, bones and muscles. There are there's muscles in our body. How many? Which number? 639 muscles in our body. The muscles in this and this work as long as we live. Muscles in heart and lungs work as long as we live. There's bones in our body. 206 bones in our body. The joining of two bones is called a joint. The dash gives support to our body. Skeleton. Dash makes the muscles strong. Exercises makes the muscles strong. Once you see the fill in the blanks, once you see and write in your textbook, children. Okay. Next one, fountain. Color the picture of correct posture. Here, some of the pictures is there. Once you check the correct posture and color it. Which is the correct posture? The first one is not correct because he is bending his backbone. Okay. And this is the correct one. He is with very erect. Okay. Netarga kuchunadu kada. This is the right one. Color this picture. Second picture. And next one, third one. This is also not correct because he is bending. And the fourth one is also correct posture. So color this also. The second one and fourth one are the correct postures. So color those two. Okay, children. The exercise is also completed. Okay. The lesson reading and exercise is also completed. In this video, first of all, we revised the previous class. After that, lesson reading. And next one, we did some textbook exercises. Okay, children. I hope you would have understood the topic. In the next video, I have come up with one more science topic. Thank you for watching the video.